see sources of history मध्ये material sources of history. Today we are going to learn about written sources of history and oral sources of history. Okay, let's start. Written sources of history. Written sources of history means Bhurjapatra, religious manuscript like treatises, edicts, decrees, biographies, paintings, etc. We can understand that they might be in different language or different writing styles of or scripts like Devanagari, Arabic, Persian, Modi, etc. See this. These are some written sources. These are some manuscripts or biographies or decreases. We can say decreases. Here are some paintings. We learn important historical events in the medieval period from written sources. Some travelers from other countries also have written about their travels like Al-Baruni, Ibn Battuta, Niccolò Manucci. These are some travelers from other countries. The poet Paramananda has written Sanskrit biography of Shivaji Maharaj named Shri Shiva Bharata. एक कवी होते, पोएट होते परमानंद. त्यांनी आपल्या छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचं चरित्र, त्यांची बायोग्राफी संस्कृतमध्ये लिहिली आणि त्याचं नाव होतं श्री शिवभारत. You can see Modi in this book. See this picture. This is Modi script. Same like him, Babar and various others have written biographies. We can understand about different rulers and their administrative systems with the help of these written sources. आपण written sourcesच्या हेल्पने मदतीने त्या काळातला कल्चर, पॉलिटिक्स याबद्दल समजू शकतो. Tawrikh or Tarikh means the sequence of events which written by various writers. Bakhar is a written record originated in Maharashtra. This helps in understanding political, cultural and social happenings of that time. But many Bakhars are written after many years after the event had occurred. These are some of Bakhars. बखर पानिपतची आणि आद्यश्री शिवछत्रपती राजे यांची बखर. These all are written sources. Okay, now we will see oral sources. Some stories, songs are being passed through generation to generation. Ovis, folk songs, povadas, folk tales, myths, these are oral sources. तुमची आजी तुम्हाला गोष्ट सांगते, बरोबर? आजी आजोबा गोष्ट सांगतात. आई गोष्ट सांगते. त्यांना कशा रे माहिती या गोष्टी? तर त्यांना त्यांच्या आईने, त्यांच्या आजीने सांगितलेल्या असतात. शिवाजी महाराजांची गोष्ट तुमची आजी बघायला गेली होती का महाराजांना? नाही, ते खूप आधी घडलेलं होतं. बट धिस पासेस टू जनरेशन टू जनरेशन. त्यांच्या आजीनी त्यांना सांगितली ते तुम्हाला सांगतात. तसं धिस पासेस थ्रू जनरेशन टू जनरेशन. असेच काही गाणी पण असतात, पोवाडे असतात, टेल्स असतात, मिथ्स असतात. दॅट दीज ऑल आर oral sources. After history has been written down, research on it goes on continuously. As new sources and information come to light, it has to be rewritten. So some points are changing in new history books than old history books. See this. What is this? This is the picture from your textbook. This is Povada of Tanaji. See this in Marathi. तुम्ही ऑलरेडी शिवाजी महाराजांचा पोवाडा, संभाजीराजेंचा पोवाडा, तानाजीचा पोवाडा, बाजीप्रभूंचा पोवाडा असे अनेक पोवाडे ऐकले असतील. पोवाडे काय आहे तर ओरल सोर्स आहे. आपले काही येरे येरे पावसा हे कसं आहे, कुठं लिहिलेलं आहे का? नाही, तर हे सगळे ओरल गोष्टी आहेत. ह्याला म्हणायचं तोंडी, जे ओरली पास होतात, दॅट इज ओरल सोर्सेस. When we got proofs or resources of history, we have to examine their authenticity. That is evaluation of sources of history. We have to see these sources are genuine or fake. We also have to see reliability of the writer. Who wrote this? What is the author's perspective? Why was it written? When was it written? Where was it written? Is it reliable? Why or why not? All this is includes in evaluation of sources of history. The author's impartiality and neutrality is important in written history. We have seen all the sources of history. Now you have to do one work. You have to write down hard words from this lesson in your notebook.